and it's okay.
Palakpak ay simulan, magkaisa tumabalang. Tara natin pakita ang iyong tunay na kakayahan. Welcome to the jungle, watch out, you know you're in trouble, trouble. Sa tabi ang iyong mga alinlangan, lakasan ang parang veteran, go. Wait a minute, I'ma make you see. Ready action, it's like a movie. Cause it's play, yeah, meet me the army. Tough like a warrior, walking on the dolphin. Tumigil man mundo, titok, tok, tok. Walang makakapigil sa sigaw na yung damdamin. Sa tupang lahat kaibigan, di na dapat malumbay. Hawakan ng aking kamay, hati.
Sulit yung price. Masarap.
Oh, okay. Ano ba yung trinay nyo, ma'am? Na?
Yung ano ko, yung over, saka yung liempo nila, yung special daw nila.
Oh, I see.
Masarap,
Ay.
malinamnam,
Ay.
and mapapaulit ka.
Ah.
Slow, I'm ready to go. It's time to show all the best in me. Relax ka lang, sumunod ka lang. Kung sa paradise, now let me see. No time to be lazy. Lahat ng harap walang way, break free. I'm on fire, burning passion, I'll take me to oasis. Hayaan natin na mundo na ba? Tingin man mundo, titok, tok, tok. Walang magkakapigil sa sigaw na yung damdamin. Sa tutok lahat kaibigan, di na dapat malumbay. Hawakan ng aking kamay, halin na tumabay.
We have our top best seller, Liempo Binalot, lechon manok. Our lechon manok is, we have two flavors po. It's sambal sauce, it's hot and spicy, and the classic lechon manok.
Paglubog man ng araw, ang buwan ang iyong makikita.
It's a TOPSITAY day, guys. So this is TOPSITAY. I'm inviting you guys to visit our physical store located at Zone 2 National Highway, San Vicente, Baao, Camarines Sur. So just visit us or DM us sa aming page, TOPSITAY Bicol Binalot Rice Toppings, or just text me at 0929-601-4818. Kita-kits guys to experience our Binalot food.
Wait a minute, I'ma make you see. Ready action, it's like a movie. Cause it's play, yeah, meet me the army. Tough like a warrior, walking on the dolphin. Tumigil man mundo, titok, tok, tok.